Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineers, civil engineers, electrical engineers and electronic engineers. So 4 various department and graduates can make use of this video. So I will be providing the link in the description. So UPSC have released an advertisement for job requirement, so kindly make use of the video and as well as the advertisement which they released. So when you scroll down, you can see the recent posts of them. So I'll just see here for online, that is online recruitment application for various recruitment posts. When you click on the link, you can get, you will be directed to this page. So here they already posted the advertisement. You can have the PDF here, and last date, that is applying for last date is 14/10/2021. So this is the deadline. So before that you have to apply. So here you can see various job opportunities for electrical, mechanical, civil and electronics. So first we will be clicking assistant engineer for naval quality assurance. Here first we will see assistant engineer for naval quality assurance for mechanical engineers. So right hand side you will be having an apply now. So when you click on the assistant engineer naval quality, means you will be directed to this page. So here you can see the various details. So depending upon the community, number of posting they gave, total number of posting is 3 only, and pay scale is 7. So it's a very good pay, and your age should not exceed 30 years, and education is you must have a BE in mechanical engineering from reputed colleges, and need 2-year practical experience in quality assurance, quality control, etc. So just read the do's and don'ts and conditions of them. So it's a wonderful opportunity for you, and you are liable to serve anywhere in India, and prohibition period is 2 years. So candidate will be posted after the prohibition period. And next thing is, when you come back, when you go to back button, you will be having an assistant engineer for electrical. There we saw various posts, right? You have to choose electrical. So electrical, its number of posts is 2, and same, you must not exceed 30 years, and you must completed the electrical and electronics engineering from reputed university. So EEE and EC student can apply for this job, and you must have 2 years practical experience in quality assurance also. Just read the terms and condition, and prohibition period is 2 years. If you click civil hydrographic officer, so you will be directed to this page. Number of posts is 2, and same 30 years you should not exceed, and qualification is you must have degree in civil or computer science or IT or masters in mathematics or geography. Even IT and CSC students can also apply, and experience they gave 2 years in nautical chart completion. So just read the do's and don'ts. And when you come back, you can, if you click junior technical officer, the number of posts is totally 9. So totally 9 posts they are giving, and pay scale is level 10. So it's you will be having a huge salary here. Education is if you are belonging to mechanical or electrical or electronics, you can apply for this job. So it's a great opportunity, and you must have 3 years work experience in relevant field, whichever stream you are belonging to, and at least 1 year experience in dockyard and shipyard. So evaluation will be various process will be keeping. So those who are interested can apply for this job. So just click the next button. So when you come, there are various jobs, whichever is relevant to you, you can apply for it. When you scroll down, you will be having your icon called next. Okay, so when you click on the icon, you will be getting next. You just read the terms and conditions, whichever they gave in English. And finally, if you want to proceed and if you want to apply, means you have to click the dialog box, and you have to proceed, and you have to fill all your basic details, and you can apply for this job. So I hope so this video will be very useful. You can also see the advertisement. So there right hand side there will be advertisement, right? So if you see the advertisement which they posted, it will be very useful for you. You can see all the informations there, and kindly share this video to mechanical, civil and EEE and EAC students. Even CSE and IT students also can make use of one job. So kindly share with them, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. We will be bringing all the job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.